I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is bricks. To successfully integrate with bricks, select Custom from the Form's Actions setting. Now navigate Bricks Page Builder, where use the form. Now select the form, click Action from the left sidebar, then select the Custom from drop-down. Click the Save icon to save the setting. Now navigate Integration Page. Select a form. Click Next. Search and select Fluent CRM for action. Click Connect to Fluent CRM for authorization. Authorization is successfully done. Click Next. Here select the action as you want. Choose the tag and which tags you want to associate with the user. Map the email field and click Next. Now save the integrations. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Go to Fluent CRM and check the tag is associated with list contact or not. You see the tag is associated with a list of contact. Thanks for watching.